Hey, good morning. This is Frank at Simply Bananas. I was out riding my bike a little while ago and I found some banana leaves on the side of the road. And I said, it's kind of a shame to waste the banana leaves. So what I'm going to do this morning is I'm going to collect them and show you how to treat them and use them properly when you're going to cook with them. And you can do a couple of different methods, and I'll show you those when we get up here to the banana leaves. You can see they're just kind of piled up here on the street. This looks like a really good one there, nice, long, and broad. I'm going to take about 2 of them in case I screw some up in the making of the video. That's not a good one. This one looks like a good one here. There we go. 2 banana leaves in the back seat. All right, so we got these banana leaves. We're gonna take them out and set these suckers down. And you need you a pair of regular old scissors. The sharper, the better. So basically what you wanna do is you're gonna take your pair of scissors and you wanna get the leaf right here and just run it right along the vein, just like this. And that's one. And we'll do the other one on this side. Broken piece there. There. So, a little too much vein on this side. Anyway, as you can see, like this one, when you try to fold it like this, all these leaves break and tear, and that's really no good for when you're cooking with banana leaves. So, we're going to go inside the house, and I will show you exactly how to prep these for cooking. So basically what you want to do is you want to bring this leaf over a gas flame, and what you'll see happening is you can see there's a change that happens. It makes it almost go from a matte colored leaf to a glossy leaf, and as you drag it down, the same thing happens. And what this does is it melts some of the waxes and the material in the leaf, and it makes it a lot more pliable. The second thing it does, it also sterilizes the leaf. I mean, this is a really hot gas flame, probably 600-700 degrees, and so it kills any microorganisms that might be on the banana leaf. And then you flip it over, and you'll see it will do the same. It makes this glossiness, the matte finish, go away. So when you finish putting it into the flame and you have let it cool off a little bit, what you want to do is you'll find a natural place for it to break like this. You can see there. And what you want to do then, and you can use either side, is you can get a piece of fish and put it in there. And what we like to do is put some vegetables in there. And you want to wrap it up like this and maybe tie it with a piece of string. And you have this nice packet. You can use it just like foil or just like parchment paper. And the benefit of this is that you get a lot more flavor from the banana leaf as it roasts with the fish or the chicken or whatever you're cooking, that you will have a much better flavor for it. Now, in the event that you have torn your banana leaf and you don't want to fold it, or your whatever you're cooking is a little too big, you can just put a piece of this banana leaf in the pan there like that, and then you can put the fish or whatever you're eating over the top of it and kind of close it up, and you get just about the same benefit from that as far as the banana leaves go. But you can always just use this banana leaf for an individual serving, and it makes a nice presentation as well. Thanks for watching. We'll see you soon.